wine in a new bottle. That's exactly what we came across in the year 2011. While on one hand, item songs were being used as teasers for old remakes like Chikni Chameli for Agnipath, some movies also try to fit in old songs with a tadka of new Indo-Western beats as a part of promotion. Now let's take a look at some of the old songs that were used by the music composers as a part of the film's music album. To start with, we have the super hit chartbuster song Dum Maro Dum from the super hit movie Dum Maro Dum. The song and its tune were exactly adapted from the old blockbuster movie Hare Rama Hare Krishna in 1971, picturized on Zeenat Aman and Devanand. The music, remixed by Preetham and sung by Anushka Manchanda, was peppy and its beats tempt you to tap your foot on the dance floor. Yet another song which made all the audiences dance to its tune was Yamla Pagla Divana, which is inspired from the song Main Jat Yamla Pagla Divana from the 1975 film Pratigya, which again starred Dharmendra. Desi beats with the perfect Punjabi Deol Mundas of Bollywood. What more can dance lovers ask for? Following the chain, we have one of the most naughty numbers of the movie Mr. India, Hawa Hawai, which still remains popular amongst the listeners but looks like the remixed version of the song in the film Shaitan didn't touch the audience's heart. And how can we forget the famous Devanand song Khoya Khoya Chan from the super hit film Kala Bazaar, which was again used in the movie. If not Hawa Hawai, at least the remixed version of this song was much more appreciated as it had tunes that represent the youth of today's generation. Next in the pipeline is the song Pyar Do Pyar Lo from the film Thank You. The song, sung by one of the famous pop stars of India, Mika Singh, gained popularity as its beats were loud and fast, thus making it a perfect party number. Originally, this song is adapted from the film Jabaz in 1986. Moving on, here's a song Main Se Meena Se Aap Kya Jaane Se from the movie Khudgars in 1987, which was used in the film Love Breakup Zindagi. The picturization on the occasion was quite different from its original, as here it was used as a song for a wedding. The original score was sung by Sharda Sargam and Muhammad Aziz. Well, these were some gimmicks used by the industry to promote their film. Some worked and some crashed. While some still follow the wise words old is gold, there are other few who say music changes with time. It's ultimately your pick. This is a Bureau Report by Rajshri.com.